All right, so we need two more graphs. Okay, so provide the better, you know, report. Then we can do one thing. We can take the state over here inside rows, and here's the column. Inside the value, we can take the amount, and thereafter we are having this thing. And now what we can do, let's insert a pivot chart now. This is pivot chart here, and what would be the best fit chart? I think this is also well, and bar graph is also showing a good enough analysis. But let's go with the column one. All right, this is one of the best graph, I think. 100% stacked, and this is 100% state. All right, do it. Okay, this is fine, and I'll take this one and remove the unnecessary things. I mean, hide the unnecessary things, and this is city. I mean, state wise. State wise purchase. Okay, and take this graph from here. Control X. All right, and come on. What is a full report? Here you go with the final report. And here are a lot of graphs, but we can paste our graph as well here and try to fit that graph here to give the better insights and look. Hmm. Now it's quite good enough. All right, and I need one more graph to see this thing as a report. All right, we are almost there. We are almost there. Fill up the data, not in that way, not in that way. This is awkward. This is also awkward. Nothing is fine and well enough. So that I don't find anything perfect. There are colors. Just a moment. Checking what better we can do. hmm it would be a much more confusing there. Confusing if we do that. So here I don't see it's a confusing one. So now remove everything. Keep the same. Keep it same. I mean Control Z. What we done here? Let me undo the changes what we made in the graph. Okay, all right, this is fine. And now one more graph I needed, and then we are done. So come on back with the part of store, and here let's store the another chart, pivot chart here. Come on here, and here are a lot of things such as quantity, category. Let's see channel. Right, so we're having a channel here, and we're having a customer ID. Customer, it will count the customer ID, so let's take the amount only, because this at the end this is the thing which matters a lot. All right, and we are having this graph, but I need I need little. All right, this is a very good graph, right? quite good enough. And again, the same thing, hide. And the total, what is the graph about? This is graph about channel sales. All right. And now control X and come back. I mean, not here, but inside the report. Uh-huh. Not over here, but need to get, come on here. Final report. All right. So let paste that report here. Overriding. Don't override there. Come on here. Paste it over here. All right. All right. So this is the perfect, graph, and I am going to take the control, entire control to my user, and through this, the changement. Now let's bind every graph with these, selectors. So report connection and choose every graph. All right, and now it would be in the working. So here's how we created mm, a lot of graphs. Oh, remained one. So select, connect that one as well. All right, so this is the report, and if I'll select anything such as February, now you can see, come on down here, then here is the February, and if I'll select anything, and you can see the instant graph are getting changed. So this is what I'm just gonna provide to my client who can understand and analyze the data in the better way. And also I can choose a many selector, I mean many other uh, what I can see, I can select many slicer. And how I can insert the slicer, so just need to come in the tools, pivot, analyze, and select the slices. So what slicer I can have, I'm having as per the age, I can have as per the month, that I already have. I can have as per the channels and as per the category. Two more slicer I can have. Channels, let's take the channels one. Let's take one more category. All right, let's take one more selector. Let's take one more selector called channels is there, category. I don't know how much, uh, what is the category, but we are having it two selectors here. All right, here you can see the categories, and here you can see the channels. All right, and now let's wire with those things. And how we can wire, select all the tables, pivot tables. Now, all right, wire all the tables. All right, so I have been wired all the tables. Now, where I can insert those things, so I need to just customize the report in the better way, nothing else than that. So there are two customization on the upper side, and let's keep the size of slicer smaller. And here also I'm gonna give the smaller size. All right, so it should be that much visible only. Also, uh come on down, I mean here, let me, is group, come on here, is group, let me make it Here you can choose this, and here you go with the channel, and let me customize it as well. Here you go with the, all right, this is slicer. Let me do it properly. Now this is you ready to use. I mean, this is ready to use report. All right, so we are done, and this entire report, entire report. This is full report, and inside the full report, you can customize everything. And uh, here is the amazing thing: if we will do anything, all right, then that will get changed immediately on in those graphs. So come on here and press in. Now do one thing: remove the ribbon from here. I mean, remove this ribbon. Now, now it seems amazing, right? Just go a little up. Here you can see how immediately the graph will get changed once I'll hit anything, right? Come on here, remove everything. These are the actual values, and now I need specific values as per the age group. So let's choose a teenager. Here you can see the 100% teenagers are there, and here you can see uh, the graph got changed, but the percentage is same. All right, and here also it got little change, and how many teenagers are just delivering. Like this graph is also getting changed. Now you can find many insights. And all right, so remove this. All senior and teenager we are considering right now, but let's see in October month. If we select the October month, what is happening here? November getting changed, but for October you can see 40% uh, males and 60% female. This is the rate in October. And in November, what happens here? 33 and 67. And all of the graphs are getting changed. 88%, and this is also getting changed. All right, and this is also getting changed. So this is how we want. And now let's find for specific category. Bottom, I mean, for bottom, or why no, there are many things you can select for anything. All right, so we have customized everything. Let's see for the Amazon only. And I'm selecting for Amazon. Then you can see the graphs are getting changed immediately. All right, this is report. This is ready to use report, and everyone can customize that report easily. And we are good enough now. Here we are ending the session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Enjoy the report and enjoy the game. And keep learning, keep growing.